Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to mute words on X. Okay, so first of all, open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll until you see settings and privacy, and as you can see your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety. Now select mute and block section and go to muted words. So let's tap add button in the bottom right corner of my screen to add muted word. And now in this field I want to enter word or phrase or username or even hashtag that I want to mute. So let's type something. And now I have to set my preferences. So those are if I want to mute from home timeline, from notifications, from anyone or from people that you don't follow. And also you have to select duration. So it could be forever, 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. And when you're done, you have to tap save button in the top right corner of my screen. And here is your muted words. As you add different muted words, hashtags, usernames or phrases, they will appear in this page. And from this moment, this word will be hidden from your feed or notifications, depending on what you set up earlier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.